This is our winter soup. I just created this. Just build this. This is my own creation, guys. I'll put you down below the description how you make this soup. Very easy. Hi guys, we make a winter soup plus barley. So this is vegetarian, guys, because this is very special. This is a special preparation for the person has need a special diet. So we have some barley and carrots and the stem of broccoli, and we have also the broccoli itself, and we have also some potato. So this is my own soup. I call this is a winter soup plus barley, and this is a superfood, guys, a vegetarian preparation for the vegetarian. I called also this is also a one dish meal preparation because it has already a barley and potato that serve as carbohydrates and as a fiber, and plus barley also is a protein. We consider also as a protein. So, and we will add on also the leafy beans. It's already pre-cooked. So, let's keep on cooking this one. Low and gentle cook only, guys. Okay? So, that's like that, guys. So, guys, we have also some protein. This is a sweet peas, protein. It serves also as a protein. We have a one dish meal winter soup plus barley. This is our ingredients. I will write the ingredients down below in the description, guys. So guys, we are back. So it's time to put our broccoli. This time it's very comforting and very savory vegetable vegan soup, guys. This is our vegan soup for today. Very delicious, guys. I wish and I hope you will like this, guys. Very delicious, my winter soup, guys. So this is our recipe for today, and let's put also our sweet peas frozen. Okay, guys, this is one dish meal, my one dish meal. So when I was in college, guys, we have a quantity of cooking and also a nutritional cooking. But not all food that you eat are, sometimes food are very delicious but not nutritious, okay? So when you eat something like that, if you're always eating like that kind of food, it's not good for your body, guys. So this kind of soup, it's kind of like creamy because from the potato and the barley. Okay, barley is very healthy, guys. So healthy barley. So this is our soup. So wait until 10 minutes more so to cook everything and incorporated. So that's very easy lang, guys. Very easy. This recipe is so easy. This is good for winter season, for cold, our body needs some hot and warm soup. And plus vegetables, so you're not going to cook separately. Vegetable, protein, and soup. This is already enough. One dish meal recipe, guys. Okay?